Mereka enak kami na turang nama ramai dorong mana lah. Kami na mereka ni stesen ni. Kita bagi cuci kami nonton kono baru takina ouch palangi show.
Dono binaka.
And matakani kuwa we say a big binaka pagalevu to Punjas.
Yeah.
And to all the staff of Punjas tuning in this morning.
Good morning, good morning.
Ni mata binaka.
Right. Punja celebrating 90 years this year.
Yeah.
90 years of service in Fiji.
Yeah.
Na bale usara na bingkara binaka na wambuluta ni bikem lugi sara. Na staff tau ni Punjas mai lau Tokyo.
Yeah.
Tau mbulu binaka mana sitini suga kami da.
Right.
And mataka ni baka misigini ko. It's Monday morning.
Ha.
Yeah.
It's a very good day.
Right.
Because we are from the long weekend. Some of us, we are thinking of yesterday.
Right.
We are thinking of our weekend.
Of course.
But remember one thing.
What?
You are coming today full force, back in one piece.
Right.
Continue with the good work.
Right.
Because if no,
Yeah.
you were not able to succeed.
This morning I
This
saw
morning.
you two-piece.
I'm two-piece.
Okay.
Because of selfie cam.
Huh?
Selfie cam.
Okay.
Yeah. Good morning, everybody.
Hey,
right.
From the weekend I went to.
Right.
I would like to say good morning to the Taranaka taxi base.
Right, right.
From Nailambo Telebu and
Right.
also to the Yabusa of Mateniabu.
Right.
Thank you very much for the Nasasanga.
Yeah.
And also good morning to Mr. Vilimon and Nailote.
Bulunaka,
And
Bulunaka.
also the family
Yeah.
of the Mateniabu. From Nailambo Telebu and also to all the drivers
Right.
from the Taranaka taxi base
Yeah.
for their opening
Alright.
last Saturday.
Saturday na.
Turang binaka.
Yeah.
So way to go now. Weekend na ito okay.
Yeah.
Men
Business.
Iya, men da tegbuta so nakabaya.
Dono mo binaka.
Kamu hartu sa may tamadisingo berto kada Nailambo Telebu.
Right.
Kina makina matabiyo kani kina matabubale. Bateri ramaruta kachiko na Leone Busa.
Iyo.
Nabi kasama ngarabira
Iya.
na mo ni mata sa.
All the drivers
Iyo.
having participate,
Iyo.
they are all from
Naila.
from Naila.
Iyo.
Sajjana.
Yeah, family from there. They cover all.
Right.
Now the logbook is full
Full force.
Iyo.
because of the passengers they need
Iyo.
jobbing.
Jinasar.
Erabina kata na motoka.
Iyo.
So till now, sorry, they got RT2 everything.
Oi.
One controller there,
Right.
I have
24/7.
you put your taxi there.
No taxi. Nah, my taxi is a part of taxi.
Oh, part of taxi. Boleh mana katungay chipa.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for tuning in this morning and also Meme, wena boleh Sarah and Lavenia Ray Kere.
Yeah.
Kalau ngata cukup White Crystal boleh mana wena boleh Sarah semang main matakan di ko.
Good morning to Samuel Aturangatani.
Okay.
Thank you very much. We have contributed to the.
Where is he?
He is in the room.
Yeah.
He's sleeping.
Okay,
Unconscious.
how about the Kati that day? You inviting people to
Oh, you live early.
Yeah.
Oh, we go with there.
What? Could you repeat yourself, please?
Yeah, it's a very good.
Yeah.
Thank you very much to all the members, to all the listeners, to all the friends
Right.
that coming there to Jeda Timbiu.
Right, Leps Titonga.
Leps Titonga, binabalik sa Ranawe Kangu.
Right.
Thank you for coming on that day.
Right.
We was very happy.
Right.
To Alice Tony
Right.
and Millie, Skona Tambua, and also to William Ilinganganga.
Right.
Everybody was there. Jack Jordan,
Uh-huh.
Licky, Mad, also Chonasan Robesi.
Right.
Yes.
Not forgetting Pe
Right.
and the family. They was there. Oh, very fun.
Betray.
Mana,
This one betray us.
Who's that fella? Silvinus.
Iyo.
Selvanusi.
Silly. Thank you very much for coming. Oh, very good.
Iyo.
They live any style. The Gorog still left.
So
I don't know.
before your workmates arrive, nisimber ito yan nomito kan bukan katang demis.
Sama sa tu.
Iko sa brief tigro to na boys.
Au sa brivo tu na bertau. Na bingkar abi na kena patangan dengan deder.
Hey.
Kung bantu ni mata na we don't want
Iya benarara.
first of all that's the thing.
Iya.
Kung indo ala benarara kena
Right.
karua ma na bingkar abi me deder.
Yeah.
Ko bantu ni mata na kakede.
Oyster sampai tanah benar. Continue.
Oyster sauce.
Oh, ito so siguro na kakana. Me kakede me bingkar abi me deder kun indo na me kun ni mata na yang ko na
Yeah.
kede sama time kakede.
Right.
Kede ba sa brief tegro to kina.
Iya.
Kendo biya vale ngona inside. Ke baka indo biya vale ke baka indo vale roko man nandun donu.
Right.
Ni
Ito ay
tamatayan.
kumakata ka na siya?
Siya ngarto makatakyo nga.
Eh.
Au Samuel aturang tani men the fella rich.
Right.
The fella rich he mak us too.
Uy.
Maktakita man relew.
Right.
Makatakyo. Au sapa ngo iyo na malalaman.
Ah.
La ko tu mai na ngun kilangan ni no way na tabale there. The bond is very corruption eh. So sa he mak us.
Yeah.
We drink, but the fella, you know what he doing? He does. He live without permission. Saya tak tahu.
Oi.
Yeah.
Sajina.
At teman live, continue the story.
He left, the cat is still on,
Iyo.
still rolling.
Right.
Eh?
He's-
if
he's-
you want to go, when you finish the cat, then you go. Even his card is winning.
Oi.
He is
A winning to the card.
Yeah.
But he left. Just like nakat kuna ne voltambo. On the other way, butako.
Yeah.
That's how
Yeah.
he went. And all the cassava pets outside.
Oh, kabarloma.
Bale.
Kabarloma.
Whoa.
Here.
Kabarloma.
It's like the hurricane.
Iyo.
Eyo.
Myself,
Yeah.
when I was there,
Yeah.
I was hoping na baka unday.
Right.
When I see Turanga Tobata,
Yeah.
Jeda Timbiu, and William Melinganga there.
Right.
When William Melinganga is there,
Yeah.
he pointed this one.
Yeah.
Hey, Ombuliku.
Yeah.
William
He
Melinganga.
came and sat beside me.
Iyo.
Iyo, then Rutitiku.
Oh, no what?
In Urbat.
Yeah.
He said to this one,
Yeah.
this is the head of stone.
Yeah.
Oi.
No Urbat.
Iya.
When he was there, but we enjoy the drinking yesterday,
Yeah.
on the day.
Right.
We love it.
This
but,
day.
This day.
Right.
Thank you very much for the coming, for the
Right.
team bonding.
No, no, no.
What's happened? Because it's team bonding.
Yeah.
2 hours
How
looking
about
forward
Jay
to.
that team view?
Oh, this one ending.
Yeah.
Huh?
Sangga ito nakaliw, sangga ito kamo taman reliw. Sangga yung beauty ti nonabos tu, sangga itos.
Yeah, right. 2 a.m. I left Lolombu.
Right.
Because my pickup is 4 a.m. I have to come to work on Friday.
Okay.
So that's the main reason.
holiday.
Yeah, that's the holiday.
Yeah.
And people there, all of them, they wait. Who will do the damage
Iyo.
on that? And like, I tatau,
Yeah.
2 o'clock, I went. Little did I know
Iyo.
that the Mboki Bere is still there at 2 a.m. 2 a.m.
That's the evidence where Mikael is losing.
Even when
Lagi kau nga na mo ibere.
you,
Yeah.
I reached there. I was the first one from us, the staff,
Yeah.
first one to reach there.
Right.
When I reached there, Demisi was sitting on top
Iyo.
of the tunnel, big tunnel, briefing the boys.
Ikaw sa rongot nga na kob
I
sa
was outside.
Iyo.
Go.
Because, because,
Eh.
because I know his style of drinking, eh?
Yeah.
Ayo.
Yung kuhan ko na may basura takiyaw.
Iya.
So he was there, but one thing I'm happy about
Yeah.
is everybody come and enjoy. Yeah, and enjoy.
Sa mga.
One thing,
Iya.
I said to Jada Timbu,
Take out your stomach.
Take ko stop kami madelu.
Yeah.
Oh, Jada Timbu was like this.
Yeah.
Isa nung ko ba, sambi tu. Ang ganito na
Was
kaliw.
tangtangi.
Was tangtangi Jada Timbu. Ninawe ka na bola kasar ka na doon ni Mariko meron daw bata. Sambi ko sa bangko to. O ka ando ba ya?
When we go to heaven,
Yeah.
we will go by ourselves.
Kabangan ko William eh. At kung bilang ngau kami bitu milang kita. Because ako talaga lang kita. And I was wondering
Yeah.
why he want to go because of that jobbing he was worrying about.
Yeah.
I was like this.
Yeah.
The time when 2 hours passed away,
Yeah.
the fellow we drinking there.
Yeah.
And sleep
from
there,
there.
pick up from there. What can he do today? Isa, thank you very much to everybody for the lovely weekend we coming through.
So Mika, now you see,
Yeah.
naka point na tukulit siya na last week,
Right.
he is gonna win by point.
Win by point.
Yeah.
He's gonna win by point.
Yeah.
Because we was talking to each other.
Yeah.
But for me,
I feel pity on him.
Yeah.
Like I didn't force him to drink too much.
yes,
Yeah.
thank you.
I just gave him.
Because that's
What he deserves.
That's a motto, the N style bar.
Yeah.
You respect everyone's state. No.
Wala na.
I respect everyone's state.
Ay, namoto may lolo mo ko natatali.
Any style ba?
Any style ba?
Iyo, kana dan yang kono kabul tadi kasar tu bertolenga.
Iyo.
Nada number na denga.
Yeah.
Osang na denga ngana paket to sa kumbe. Ya.
Well,
Iyo, what don't bula?
So, go
Yeah.
sa win by point o Demis.
Win by point.
Right.
Saya nga
A
kako
win
ni
by point
Yeah.
because of it's a good reason.
Yeah.
Eh?
Oh, because there's two heavyweight there.
Oh yeah.
Jada Timbiu
Iya.
En bila melenganga.
Right?
Awas lagi sisa. Usla no kumbu kurang tiu sapa angkot tunuk makasama.
Borta cuma bila bilinganga kota le ninga ila kota le lulum.
Allah ni transport.
I had one van
Iyo.
to pick me from there
Iyo.
to take me, not a taxi,
Yeah.
a van.
Iyo.
I call the van.
Iyo.
Come and pick me
Iya.
to take me to Nandawa.
Ah.
Right.
So when the van driver came, I told the driver, drink
Yeah.
a bit.
Iyo.
2 o'clock then we go.
When the fella stand up,
Yeah.
everybody was looking. Hey,
Yeah.
satu tak kinabu.
And when I left,
Iya.
Livilla Melinganga told me, hey, can you ask your driver
Yeah.
to come back and pick us?
Lolo,
Because there are plenty of them, eh?
Yeah.
Liganganga, Alisi, Leps, Tuitong, and the other.
Yeah.
And I told them, don't worry.
Yeah.
When I went with my drivers,
Yeah.
I got 2 drivers that day. One van, 2 drivers. And I told them, don't go back to Lolombo.
He was driving was that another taxi?
Yeah.
The
Kika.
no, this one, the one LT.
Yeah. LT055.
No, the LT one is the one. Another one is LH.
LH.
For transportation. Which
Yeah.
one you driving?
LH.
LH, the lost heart. Hey, we never Punja celebrating 90 years.
Right.
For welcoming us with another morning.
Never leave.
This morning.
Okay, sa silman nga vidi dems mesano vidi.
Sendrawa.
Ini,
right.
Sendrawa.
Masa ini?
Sendrawa.
Sana mo na win by point na mga
Sendrawa.
Win baboy.
Mela pa memundo umurita lang ni madongo.
You know what Pachipai always said?
Yeah.
Second mo limen rew. Obile melinganga nga sar chumur.
Gongo satu mengo ko ya.
Tukun me mo.
Tukono bila melinganganga.
Eh.
Kuota lingelo reni ke kuota linge basa ta katiguno na ba. Aspo sa mengo jeda timbi.
Mai.
Tuno jeda timbi.
Mai.
Tuna bi basu.
Gor na no bas.
All right.
Naulung ko gori.
Oh, okay, sa ngaluta lo ko ya.
Ya naulung. Ona sinro ni wakate ko. Sinro ni ulum bolech ko.
Ngai vitamin abu. Sa
Nawale
nawali
basu.
sara nawali.
Na ka nawale we kemni na sar chukmai nawale sara. We kemni na empai samai nawale sara. Ano bukuni katiliviti FM sa sangalilay. Wabri na katagi tu we kemni na ava kedani. Na madao sauti. Na total na madongo.
Ana rebute.
Oh.
Lagi be kuka?
Oh, pantang tukun mo host tay.
Oh, sale me bangaray mai. Sa totoka. Ana songo na singaya.
Right.
Ndana kana nung kumaraw. Sa
Right.
matungang goberto na langon eh. Ba ko nimbiyo Italia biolo lew sila to may to sana boso tatok nga. To bingkaray
Yaw,
manira.
namatay nga ni ka ureda na waragat ka na mga sawaji.
Iya.
Maureda na rosta.
Obis nan ruwi balu sa lolo mambimito may tuno ko ya sasar to mo kay may misana.
Iya.
Ngay ngandiya ni kuka. Atuno kan balte hustara mo kuka.
Iyo, kuka on to kuka.
O anti mi semera may.
Iyo, sama ni matay nga ni ka moreda na rosta. Nung kureda na rosta, ureda na dagu. Kwasar nga yan nung kita tao. Kaya na win by point kino taman relay. Iyo.
Okay.
Rajesh. O Rajesh mana tumingo. Kayo lobi.
And herbena.
Love baby.
Labas.
May lamas ha?
Lulu. Oy, love.
Buro na.
Isa.
Na walew.
Ana re ambuti tamay seta. Ani binak. Rumor ta ka weekend?
Kondo.
Si besar namun. Si besar na nakasongko yo na songko lang kina na bisole buche. Binang isul tu na kenan rakir. Tamu kami na koro. Bidara mo sigania. Tiga di mana wa? Tahu cuma uta. Ke atau main ngoni soko na weekend sa.
Sul kenan rak.
Makan dua.
Right.
Sul tu kenan rakir, sul tu kenan yalo na isulu kenan matagal.
Napa bina kan ni sa tos cuma nanon da bakanan nanon na itu okay.
Iyo.
Nanon da sa sanga men da sa di bagim bisnis da
Gina sar. Gina sar.
Tos ngoror to na tarnaka.
Tarnak taxi bis.
Tarnaka taxi.
Iya.
Ngoror na korro sa tos sar na kiria.
Iyo.
So sar na chuko.
Iya.
Chuko na tatao.
24 second.
Right.
Na ito kan danawin grabe panin binakan dalay hatta kasi takan ng dalay bermatani kuwa. Na ito kani
Kurumo dugo.
Mika ngalo bola.
gonde miss.